football of Kaizer Chiefs, spoke football. Only fan of Kaizer Chiefs spoke football. It's you.
Mr. Jara.
No, it's you.
It's a combo today. It's me and you.
No, it says only Kaizer Chiefs spoke football. It's London.
Who spoke football?
It spoke football. It's London.
It's London.
London, let me create a London be Paris. As a Paris, always a Paris. Up the parks, as the Yamankanas Gamakepla, but tomorrow, Sokunjaro, as a Shire Chiefs, Lagos Gamabizer, FNP so evaporator. London, Gausan Gujua Chiefs.
Yeah, Mr. Jara, Gawona today, our Roland container how Modimato. So get up or Gabushu, Unyaka Lepata, Yotama, because it's a you email a Modimato. So, but anyway, let me greet South African football lovers, great Kaizer Chiefs fans. Guys, tomorrow, Kehopelori, Licia Space, Elija. So, Retobia Orlando Pirates, Karadim Jar, are you ready?
What I like to show you.
Yeah.
Almost you asking Kaizer Chiefs supporters.
Yeah.
But reserve space. So good. Of which it might happen to coach on the wrong note. Should be tell them tomorrow match the FNP their stomach make short but full battle until it is up.
Okay, but anyway, don't be shy to say you lost against Pyramid. Don't be shy to mention Tabatas Kukune.
Oh my
and,
God.
Remember the agreement between Kaizer Chiefs and Sekhukhune is that you guys you must start it, we will end it. So, but anyway, nekele mone churena ona bianong. Mone churena mole ai ke baboni bashimane ke bile le na bi re khonno bolela. Then na be unsebetse taba ya no man, relax. We are ready for this game. And the team is prepared
London,
for this game.
Abalanda be Paris be bina and then bina ibi mnandi tata. Iti here liba utwile beriteba maoban. Kache guziri tanke murena likopane. Yabona nje abantu sakhuluma ezase Egypt. The CAF Champions League. The Pyramid. It's over the Pyramid, it's over the CAF Champions League. Usakhuluma futhi ngeze Sekhukhune.
And it's over
but we finally the Champions League.
It's also over.
It's over Sekhukhune. But there tomorrow it's me and you.
And again here tomorrow here is okutshela ukuthi I number 3 ikuimele.
Tomorrow
position 3 ikuimele uzoyiqeda le position 3.
Tomorrow abadlali bethu basipromisile London bathi mapakania sizowapolisa amanqa besinzise wona. If what was going to wrap us our shoulders, it's true, my bro. Utrene nokuthi Paris la FNP. If your memory is functioning very well. Okay. Since when can you Paris la FNP? I think now kula madabi uVjose khona 4 a row kukushaya la. Sasa ngithi 5. Ngiphamisa isandla kusasa. Maphakamisa kusasa siphamisa 5. Lokho a row 5. Sikudla la kumadabi.
Okay,
kumadabi la FNP.
5 times.
No, 4 times. Now sizobe sekudla 5 in a row.
There's something that you don't know and you are missing. Erekuiro rest and show about it. Ne? Tomorrow more FNB past 4. I got past 3. Around past 4. Kaizer Chiefs tlabe lore ile bulukile le na mabakania re tlabe re le amona robola re tlhaba nku kamo sa le ba lore ke tshepisitse gore robola ya khome le re roi ja kwa Durban wa tlhalohanya so robola ya khome ka ushimo FNB ra isa mo chareng ba re tsentsetsana ka fridge re tsamaya le yona kwa kae
London tomorrow masiti 3:30 masisuka nje zithi 22 ngoba sengifesile ka wena usabaleza after 5 mina tomorrow sinamfana omncane lapha abashesha kakhulu unkotha beno uyayithoma uyayifesa of which once you referee kick off 5 minutes is too much so sesiqedile
okay moment of silence remember Kopelon fe beke e o ke present mo a oneletse beke e
for you
no I'm present
moment of silence is for you
yeah no moment of silence
is for you
no this is a present for CBC I'm giving you as a Buccaneer that I trust you so much Mr. Jora, this is a present that you must give CBC. Thank you for CBC for red card. You have done very well because of red card early. It was discussed. Horesevisi must get red card.
Oh.
So this is a present.
You have a connection with the referees.
No, it's not connection with the referee.
Softy red card should be awarded us.
No,
because that day was a soft red card.
No, don't be shy.
It's not that card.
Don't be shy. Remember, CVC was born wearing a Kaizer Chiefs blanket. So for him to sabotage a red card early, it's a claim. And that
you scared for SBC because important liyavale emuva awubonanga umuntu obezodlula kwiportal. Was scared for iportal.
If you were
now you are happy ukuthi iportal la receive a red card.
Okay. If you were to choose, ne?
Yeah.
Oscar Bua as a don't take it personally.
Yeah.
If you were to choose, okay, I'm playing Kaizer Chiefs. And ke lositse 3 point important go Sekhukhune. And this another 3 point alluring as a Buccaneer. We really need it. Ne? But if you were to choose ukuthi Chiefs, but you must choose ufuna ukushawa how many score. Not to choose or shapeka how many score.
London, unfortunately, I speak to you right now. Chiefs there engekho very well. When I was on and off, usase recover ukuphuma ehospital wena usase para awukamfanele ukuthi usane score ungazipredict amawuhlala nePirates wena yithi please Orlando Pirates when you punish me please with a heavy score 1-0 is a champion score. It's okay for you because if you can ask me a score it's supposed to be I baptize you with a fire 5.
Okay,
is it 5-0 or 5-1? But your score for tomorrow is a heavy score, my bro.
Heavy score. This is advice to Orlando Pirates players. Tomorrow morning 9 o'clock you must come to FNB. You must score more goals before Kaizer Chiefs arrive. Because of one Tarakafita, you won't get a chance to score. I know my team is not performing very well since previous games. And the league game is
you know?
No,
you
I know.
The
they didn't perform very well. I'm not shy to say this. But going to Derby.
Why you trust that tomorrow is going to change things? You're going to change your name.
Good question. You asked me why I trust Ukuti, why tomorrow we're going to win. While we are struggling to win against Chipa,
yes,
against Marumo Gallant.
Yes.
You know, when you talk about Derby, you are talking about it's a different language.
Yeah.
It's like you are playing on the river. Ne?
Yeah.
And there's difference between to play on the river and playing on the sea. So tomorrow's game, it's a competition.
London,
so don't compare a league game with Derby.
London, allow me to remind you.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is the last Derby for 24-25 Betway Premier League. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Riaikwala le Derby.
Okay.
And Marikwala, you know, Mtala. Should be izinto zokuthi ngimtala. Should be mangivala iDerby ka 24-25 Betway Premier League. Pirates should be punished. Kaizer Chiefs. Orlando Pirates players, there's a message. Please don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint Orlando Pirates family. Please beat Kaizer Chiefs. If you fail to beat them with 5-0, please, that 3 points is very, very important to Orlando Pirates family. Make sure that tomorrow you go there and you punish them strongly because their pride say, we lost in the pyramid, we lost to Sekhukhune, we step up in with them. Please, punish them strongly.
Okay, that's a message that you gave to Orlando Pirates fan. This is a message that I'm going to give to Kaizer Chiefs fan. Number one, Sekhukhune, they've done a great part last week.
Hey.
So we need to pay them. It's time for payback. We need to give Sekhukhune credit. How to give us Sekhukhune credit? Ne? Yeah, to give us Sekhukhune credit, we need to beat Orlando Pirates. And if we beat Orlando Pirates, remember it's the two points away. Orlando Pirates are 46, Sekhukhune is 44. So if we beat you, Sekhukhune never win a game yabona. Hey, number 3. So but anyway, let me say congratulations for Orlando Pirates. Korba feel a marathon or interest in this season. But number 1, but number 2 ele ya bona ne promise hore they are going far ka number 2 by the end of this season. But anyway, lahana league e fela ka di last minutes. Number 3 2 phahama between the TS Galaxy and Sekhukhune, and when you feta this league ko number 2, Orlando Pirates, they're going to end this league ko number 3.
London, it's your wish. Mapagania, Tina, we still have a chance. You got the league. It's Santos Mangalat. Paris is a focus. Your 3 pointers to Tatagu Sheep 6 hours. Poses back. Mapagania, fill up. Let's come early to the stadium to avoid what is the figure of the stampede to see push and reserve our city in Mapagania. Pagania, always. But it was a pirate. Always a pirate. Okay,
but anyway, before this is the last message that I want to give to South African football lovers. It's either it's an Orlando Pirates fan or it's a Kaizer Chiefs fan. Let's arrive earlier, more stadium, to avoid or game it delay. For us to enjoy the game is to arrive early at the stadium. Remember, we got problems like packing. So for us to work together with the metros, police, and securities, let us arrive on time mo stadium mo ka boshiu re fitlhe ka nako re ska delay a game or e thome late. Remember, this is a big game bafowethu, and last time when I remember, Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs, we are no longer allowed to play late hours tsa boshiu. For us ho ira lor bolo is ka fela late, and in terms of people that they will be traveling from Faba or Ababuka, they still have to drive back. So for us to really game ikono fela ka nako, let us arrive on time. And this is what I want to add. If Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates, there's any decision making, officials, referee, that doesn't satisfy us or try to emotionally, let us respect the decision of referees, because of, I know even though maybe sometimes Orlando Pirates can perform 100%, but lose a game because of Kaizer Chiefs benefited from referee, or Kaizer Chiefs dale game 100%, Orlando Pirates benefited because of referee. Let us respect that in terms of mapilo abatoka mo stadium. Let us not throw anything in the pitch, because of at the end the affected team, it's either Yoba Pirates or Yoba Kaizer Chiefs. At the end of the day, they are paying a lot of money because of behavior as the supporter. Let us accept anything that's gonna happen tomorrow. Remember, we're still going to meet next week for Nedbank. But for us to behave here, it's also gonna give you good emotion to approach the game here, the 10 Nedbank. This is the last message that I want to send as well to a Pirates fan. Last time, FNB Orlando Stadium, there were fans that they wanted to beat Sekhukhune. Kidiboni defenders o le nna ke bile o mongwe lo re ke la motse ntwa. Defenders Orlando Pirates abadumele ho jiwa. But I don't want us to promote that thing. Ya re bethane ko stadium. Sekhukhune na palla ko celebrate win ya hae because of Chabo betiwa. I've got Gada Boy. Ke na le a member wa Gada Boy. Ba mo tseba ka di brele, wa para di brele mashiu. That guy, he was nearly to be beaten. Loftus Moripe, he's a Mamelodi Sundowns fan because of he was celebrating. So I'm saying tomorrow, either you're a Chiefs or you're a Pirates, but wait, let's stand together, Mr. Dwara. Me and you, we fight inside the pitch. After 90 minutes, we are friends.
London.
So that things, yeah, on the pitch doesn't have to push me to beat you, or you beat me.
London, let's say it together.
Yeah.
Football is for fun, not for fight.
Yeah.
Mapagania, Makos. Football is for fun, is not for fight. Or ngamanyamazi astangane ku 90 minutes. Maupelu 90 minutes is celebrate out 3.8. Hard luck, my brother.
So, but anyway, this is the last message to you, Dwara. That was a message that I'm sending through to Orlando Pirates fans and Kaizer Chiefs fans for us to be united and Reskaba Ateka the referee. And this is a message to officials. But remember last time we fight a lot. Remember last time we fight a lot with these things here, the officials. Ne? But if the officials, they are doing well, we also need to credit them. How many times we fight Hlongwane? swilo swa ku saseka. It's been a while we attacked that guy. It's been a while re lwa le di referee, but there's so many games tse lori ke di bona di referee they are doing well. So we also need to say good luck for South African officials. If they are not, they can carry on that way. We're gonna go far. We're gonna go far. So I want to say, let them keep on doing that.
It's obvious, London, without referees, football is nothing.
Yeah.
Somehow should be understanding, accept any referee's final warning or decision.
Yeah.
So that sizokwazi ukuya phambili ngempilo abalandeli bebhola everyone let's enjoy 2024-25 Betway season ibe mnandi kawusani sithi siyayikwala le derby sesiyobona ezolandela yeNedbank but le Betway siyayikwala Mapakania as far as I'm concerned u3 point lonke nikhombisa wona nayi sign yenu
Makhosi Miguel is back hopefully utlo ba teng ko game ya ka tomorrow. CBC is out but Miguel is back.
So and
Mashiane
London you are a coach.
No.
Remember,
tomorrow
I'm always avoid. London, let me coach you. I'm always avoid the supporters and teach the supporters. You have to know your story. You as a supporter, go in FNB Stadium and accept any starting lineup, Kaizer Chiefs. No say Uban is in, Uban
Unfortunately,
is out.
You don't know what is
because
happening
now,
at
what are you starting now?
No, let me answer you. Let me answer you. You said
our starting lineup, we're going to support 100%. It's only cautious job and management of Orlando Pirates.
Thank you.
We as the Orlando Pirates supporters, we accept any starting lineup, say Orlando Pirates.
You're gonna accept it because of it from Jose Rivero. Tomorrow you are playing a Kaizer Chiefs. No, remember it's not tomorrow. They are not competing with the players of Naturena. Kabushu, it's Orlando Pirates versus Kaizer Chiefs fan. And the Kaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates, it will be there at Moses Mabhida. Tomorrow you'll be competing with us as a fan tomorrow, yeah. So any starting lineup for tomorrow, you must know it will sit Korina di fan. Already received submitted da ko Naturena one time. Yeah, so tomorrow tomorrow you are lost. Kaizer Chiefs. Orlando Pirates, it will be the last disaster in the country.
Upopu 7-1 release ngalondlela ukuthi mayilose Chiefs ikusasa akuluzanga uNapi kuzobe kuluze abalandeli beKaizer Chiefs.
Okay,
that message that wonke umuntu wase South Africa.
Yeah, uthini?
Ukuthi mayilose Kaizer Chiefs ikusasa. No one fingers and blame you putting to Napi.
There's no
on you guys.
There's no one who's going to put the blame. No.
Yeah, okay.
There's no one who's going to put blame on Nabi because of we are not going to lose. We are going to win.
Because your starting lineup is yours.
Any starting lineup tomorrow.
You tell the people of South Africa, you tell the people of the world. Today they know.
Yeah, they know.
No longer you scared to pick up your words. You said tomorrow the fingers is no longer going to Napi and the Pope is going to you as a supporters.
There's no
as your starting lineup.
Yes. Tomorrow's game. Game here the supporters are Kaizer Chiefs. Either a winner or either a loser. Tomorrow ho dlala rena di fene ka boshiu ka nthedi.
Good luck.
Ke di fene Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates.
Yo.
And if you really bitterly lose a game here, you must know that you are the last disaster. And you must know if you lose tomorrow against Kaizer Chiefs, position number 3, eliminates. Before Rodhalan Nedbank, letabe settle
London, go and the energy yakho imnandi ngiyabona airtime is too much. Uposition ba. Kwangathi you focus yakho position yePirates.
Okay, thank you. Good question.
Which your position now?
I'm so comfortable where I am.
Where people position? Tell the people you know Pirates is position number 2.
I'm number 9. Listen here.
You are You proud about your position.
Give me time to explain this.
No, you are proud now with your position.
I'm not proud to be there, but listen here. You know why I'm secure there. I can safe. You know why I'm saying
you're safe in position 9.
No, you know why I'm saying this. People they say Chiefs it's not going to play MTN 8. I feel ashamed for those people because of I know what is happening. Team Eluri equal number 8 in only 30 points. Number 9 in only 30 points. Number 10 in only 30 points. Number 11, if I'm not mistaken, in only 28 points. So if I can tell you, the team with 40, Orore aona team e le kon top 8 so far. Leona elor iko top 8. It's not like you can't say it's on top 8. So if I can beat Orlando Pirates tomorrow, and like I'm gonna win the all remaining 3 games,
Okay.
then winning those games tells you that I'm in.
Let's see.
So you can't say
let's see
Chiefs is
tomorrow,
fighting
my
for
friend.
relegation. And then these people, they say Chiefs is fighting for relegation.
London.
And it's, Jora, I think you
Our-
you supported the Chiefs before supporting some Pirates.
No. Mina Kaizer Chiefs it is I think being no nyaga fan.
No, but you once be a Kaizer Chiefs
no,
fan.
never ever.
Because you like too much to comment about
Never
Kaizer
ever.
Chiefs.
Okay.
You see, these people
Let's
are commenting on Chiefs. They want
I will never
support
even
Kaizer
comment
Chiefs.
with the Kaizer Chiefs because Kaizer Chiefs
But
is
you are
from
afraid for
Orlando
Kaizer
Pirates
Chiefs. You
Football
are
Club.
afraid for Kaizer Chiefs.
For what?
Huh?
For what?
No,
Is this team for Kaizer Chiefs is our baby because Kaizer Chiefs is Orlando Pirates player.
Okay. Do you know who the Orlando Pirates?
Even now, Kaizer Chiefs tomorrow, if we're gonna court you, remember,
Okay.
we're going to wearing
Okay.
black and white of
Okay.
Orlando Pirates.
Okay.
In their casket.
If you were to choose, ne, but you want to win tomorrow's game or you want to win NetBank game. Myself as a Chiefs, I want to win both games. And you?
Both game is for
Okay.
Pirates.
So you under pressure going to tomorrow's game. Are you right?
I'm never under pressure.
No, you're under pressure.
You were under pressure.
No,
you out of top 8.
Do you know you still have that chance
You
to lose
out
position
in
2?
top 8. And
No,
then
my
tomorrow
Pirates
we're
have
going
won
to
too much.
witness
Very
a thing.
Chiefs,
Tomorrow we're
it's
going
fighting
to witness
relegation. What about
London
them
and
for
their
position
family
2?
is out of top 8.
Skepe siyanwella. Okay, asivaleni, thank you very much bafowethu. Let me say appreciate fans tsa ama-fans wethu TV. Bafowethu, this is the last message that I want to give you. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for subscribing. Remember, it's ama-fans wethu TV. It's a YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you. The more you subscribe, it's so very important. All your comments, we are watching over. All your comments, like, shares, we see that. We appreciate for your support. We love your support. Thank you for supporting this channel. Let's grow this channel. And don't just watch. Remember to tell your neighbor to tell his neighbor that there is so interesting episode. Go and subscribe and enjoy as we are enjoying. Good luck, South African. Danko.
Danko.